Hi Colton, Trina Hazlett here from Green Buick GMC in Davenport. I am here with the 16 Sierra Denali in the White Frost Tri-Coat and the Summit White 17 Sierra SLT that you saw online. I sent you some details earlier about history and service work, but I wanted to get a video for you as both trucks are in really great condition. Both local trades. On the Sierra Denali, of course, we've got all options. Tri-mode, power folding steps, non-smoker interior, heated and cooled seats, navigation, backup camera, sunroof, power slider, charging port, power folding exterior mirrors, memory seats, heated steering wheel, all kinds of goodies. Does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Nice amount of leg room. Spray-in factory bed liner. Locking tailgate. Front and rear park assist. You're probably aware that Denali is our most luxurious truck. Top trim level. There's your tri-mode step, that way if you had to get back in the bed. And this is the Summit White SLT 2017. Still front and rear park assist. Fixed boards, they are our best accessory board that we have. Non-smoker interior, much the same features. Everything is the same. I do want to check something on that Sierra. Let's go back to it real quick. Sorry, I don't mean to be all over the board here. Okay, the Denali has a 5.3 as well as the SLT. Okay, just wanted to make sure. This has heated seats rather than heated and cooled like the Denali, but still all the rest of the features. You can tell the the bed has barely been used. It looks to be in awesome condition. You can install your own spray-in bed liner if you'd like. Locking tailgate on this one as well. Mud guards are installed. Boy, you can't go wrong with either truck. Now, although they will be more, I did mention I have new 19 Sierras for up to $14,000 off. I mean, they could change from truck to truck, but I can help you with new as well. So hope that helps. Let me know when we can get together. 563-441-3490 is my phone number. Thanks, Colton. This is Trina Hazlett at Green Buick GMC in Davenport. Have a great day. Bye-bye.